Hello friends, it's Fiore with a new video and new hairstyle from 30s, inspired by one historical person, Wallis Simpson. This was incredible woman. I think she knows some secret of love maybe, and she definitely had a really amazing style. So if you didn't see film We by Madonna, you should see this, because this film very beautiful and very stylish and very emotional, so watch it. Let's start. Foam rollers 22mm overnight. Then I lightly brush my hair. I need to separate the front parts behind my ears, and I started to work with one of them. Then I understand that I need first to do the bun, because the ends of front parts we need to fix into the bun. So the first you will need to do separate your hair behind the ears and make bun. There are nothing special or difficult in this bun, just simple bun. Try to fix it without showing your hairpins. So continue work with front part. I need to brush the wave very good and start to creating this wave line on my head. So you need duckbill clips for this hairstyle, and all you need to do is just go in with this wave and fixing her natural curls. The end of this wave you need to fix in your bun with bobby pin. Then of course a lot of hairspray, and as I haven't a lot of duckbill clips, I'm waiting when one of the parts will dry out and I can remove the duckbill clips and start to work with other side. I'm using U-pin to make hairline more closer to the head and make less volume. And I'm doing the same operations with other part. Of course, the result will be a little bit different with the first part because hairline and little bit different direction. So don't worry about this. And of course, again, hairspray. You need to use a lot of hairspray. It's like a main rule in all vintage hairstyles. Your hair needs to be like cords in the finish of your hairstyle. So use a lot of hairspray. So the hairstyle is done. I hope you like it as I do. And don't forget to like this video, follow my channel for more hairstyle tutorials and winter tips. Have a good day. Bye bye.